A malfunctioning regulator can often be contributed to debris caught inside the poppet valve. This video shows an easy method to remove the debris. Shown here is regulator FR1, part number 17T174. This procedure can be done without removing the regulator from the control box. First, remove the poppet cover by using retaining ring pliers to remove the internal retaining ring. Be sure to use safety glasses as these retaining rings can often get away from you. Remove the cover and the spring. Then, by using the pliers, remove the poppet itself. Simply wipe off the rubber surface and the poppet seat with your finger and remove any metal chips or debris found. Then put everything back together the way they were. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.